I'm making pastry cream today because I have a few puff pastry recipes and this will be the filling for most of those. In this bowl I have three egg yolks and a whole egg. I'm gonna add to that half a cup of sugar and quarter cup of cornstarch. I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons. I'm judging this. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Let's say that's about 2 teaspoons. And I'm gonna stir this vigorously until it comes together. I'm gonna stir it until it's almost creamy, whitish creamy, and I'm gonna show you what I do after that. We're gonna add milk to this. So what I'm going to do now, I've whisked it and stirred, and most of the sugar has dissolved. So now I have some hot milk on the fire, 1.5 cups of milk, and I'm gonna do what they call temper. I'm not gonna pour in all the milk all at once. I'm gonna pour a little at a time, you know, just introducing the milk to the mixture, or the egg will it will boil the eggs. So we keep adding a little milk at a time, almost like when we were making the eggnog recipe, similar to the same thing. We're cooling down, we introducing the hot milk, and also not all at the same time. I'll put a little more. That should be good now, and we're gonna stir it quickly so it's not the hot milk is not concentrated at any one place. And I think it's okay to add the rest of it. So this is about 1.5 cups, and I'm gonna add the butter. I have about 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'm adding the butter. So now it's warm enough, the butter should melt. And this I return to the fire. I return this to the fire, to the heat. Just like we did the eggnog. The eggnog recipe is below. And I'm gonna put this back on the fire until it gets thick and come together, and all the time stirring. Okay, so the mixture has thickened up before I knew it, and it's ready to come off the fire. And I'm gonna pour it through a sieve and strain it, but you gotta keep stirring it constantly. I couldn't even put it down to pick up the phone because to do the video, but it's thickened up now, and I did add a little tip of salt to it because it tasted too sweet, so I added a little salt. So I'm gonna turn the stove off, and I'm gonna pour it out in here in the strainer, and I'm gonna strain it just like we did the eggnog. Okay, I'm gonna strain this and put it in the fridge, cover it with some cling wrap, and put it in the fridge to cool. Then it will be ready to for all the goodies that I'm gonna put it in. You can see that's what's left in the strainer. This is residue from the cornstarch and possibly the egg. So you want everything to be smooth. You don't want all that. See, now it's smooth. I won't put the spoon back in there right now to show you because the spoon has all kind of little lumps on it, but this is a smooth dough, and I'm gonna level that and cover it. Now it tastes good. I'm gonna level it. I'm gonna cover it with saran wrap and put it in the fridge to cool because it's still warm. And that's your pastry cream. This you can use to fill any kind of pastry, and I'll show you some of the ones we're gonna do in a few. That's gonna be a different video, so look out for it. I just uploaded the pastry cream video. I'm sorry, the puff pastry video, so you can look at that. When you cover your pastry cream, you should have the wrap go all the way down in the bowl wherever it stops. Don't just cover the top, because then there will be a skin created, and then you'll have to take that off. If you put the wrap, once you take it off, That's it. Touch everywhere with it. Cover it. Okay? Thanks.